Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am restarting the filming of this. I had a technical malfunction, but today I have for you an unboxing from Jane at SEVENGREAT. SEVENGREAT is a cross-stitch company who has a bunch of different cross-stitching patterns, and I don't think they're called canvases. I honestly am not familiar with the terminology, but I'm sure I will see it as it comes in here. But I don't think I've talked about it on this channel. I did get into cross-stitching shortly after diamond painting. Diamond painting and cross stitching kind of go hand in hand. If you know, you know. I've got a couple of cross stitch conversion diamond painting canvases, but basically it's the same concept, just a different media form. So when Jane reached out to me and asked if I would do an unboxing of their product, I was like, heck yes. And I'm really excited with what I picked out. And I will just jump into it. I'll have the links to both products down below because there are two products in here, as well as a link just to the SEVENGREAT website if you're interested. So without further ado, let's just jump into this bad boy. So the first thing that I got in here is a set of, there's 5 of them. Aha, okay, there's 5 A4 size mesh bags. That's what I was trying to find. I couldn't remember which size, but they're A4. And these mesh bags, you could use them for storing really anything. However, if you are a crafter of any kind, you can use these to store your cross stitch like projects in these. You could, you know, fit everything inside this bag. It's just really nice. A nice zipper that works. You've got a nice pull here. They're just really cute and vibrant colors. So I got yellow, green, blue, red, and white with a blue zip. So these are really nice. I'm going to be using them for putting my different cross stitch kits into, because if you know, you know, you always have like 8 different projects going at once. So that's what's going to go in here. But you could put literally anything. If you color, you can put your coloring utensils in here. If you diamond paint, you can put your diamond painting tools in here. Yeah, so love these, very excited about those, and they're really nice size. They're kind of like a piece of paper, like almost 8.5 by 11, but I don't know that that's the exact dimensions, but they're very nice, like size. And then this is what I am the most excited for, obviously, because this is my cross stitch project, but dun 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 dun, it's Totoro. It's Totoro Garland. I am so excited. I don't know if you guys know, but I am very much a geek. I love all things Studio Ghibli. I love all things just kind of like Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, I don't know, all of those types of things. It is totally up my alley. So when I saw this little Totoro garland, I knew I needed to get it. So I am so excited. I'll go ahead and open it up and show you guys kind of what the kit comes with. But this was $4.59 at the time when I picked it off of the website. So that is really great. And it comes with everything you need. You've got the fabric, the thread, the needle, and some instructions. Awesome. So, oh, and it's 14 count, 22 by 26 centimeter. So just if you're curious, but let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so, oh, hold on, I'm having a hard time. Okay, there we go. So here you have your little instruction sheet. You know, you've got all the different colors with the DMCs that you're gonna need. Then you've got half of it and then the other half here. So you just have one piece of paper you have to keep track of, which is nice. And then you have all of your floss that you will ever need. And I love that this is already like put on one of these things for you and labeled. So here is all of your floss, aka thread. I love this color palette so much. It's beautiful. And then here is the rest of the colors. I just love these blues so much. Like, especially these ones, they remind me of like the colors of my house, like my home decor, I mean, but so pretty. And then you've got your, I don't know if you can see them, you've got needles here. You have what the DMC numbers are. Love it. And it just says cross stitch on the back. So this is super, super handy. Love the color palette on this so much. Very excited. And of course, last but not least, you have the fabric. Now this is a printed fabric, which I appreciate. However, if you have never done a cross stitch before, you might be a little scared looking at this. Now, obviously the colors of this do not match the colors printed on the actual fabric. When you have finished the project and have all of your thread / floss put on there, you won't be able to see any of this down here. And if I'm not mistaken, let me just triple check. Yeah. You also can put this piece of fabric into water at the end and it will wash away all of this pattern. So when you're done and you have everything, you know, stitched up and completed, you can just completely wash away the miscolored background. But the reason that they do this is so that you can easily differentiate between the colors, you know, because otherwise you'd be trying to like differentiate between these like 4 very similar types of blues. But that's why they have the DMCs and the numbers back here. So as you can see, it's a little bit difficult to read along the bottom, but it is possible to read it. So you have 1 through, what is this, 19? So there's a few more colors. Oh yeah, and then you have more along the side here, up till 24, it looks like. So 1 to 24. But you can just see that the different numbers coordinate with the different symbols. And you also have the numbers listed here. And if you at all ever get confused, you've got this printable here as well. So I love that they do that, because if you have very good eyesight and you can just read it straight off the bottom like this, you can just take this and your floss and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about the paper or anything. However, if you prefer to do it the counted style, you can by following this pattern here. So it's just kind of nice that they include both options, because if you don't have as good eyesight, boom, there you go. So the other thing is, if you are new to cross stitching, which I still consider myself to be a novice, so I love that this is a smaller piece. All of the instructions for cross stitching are on the back of this package here that this whole little Totoro garland came in. So you've got all of your instructions, you've got your printed, unprinted, how to stitch, different descriptions, you know, of the different stitches you can do, what to do at the end, everything like that. So very excited. I love this. And let me just show you what it's going to look like one more time. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I love it. So excited. Here's a bigger picture of it. If you are also a Studio Ghibli fan, let me know. But even if you're not, go check out 7GREAT for real, because they have so many different kits available, like from beginner to, I would say, like super expert. They've got them on there. Very affordable prices, a very wide variety of different types of images. Definitely something to check out. So again, thank you to Jane for sending me this PR package. I love it. And when I do finish this, I will be doing a video to show you guys. But yeah, definitely go and check them out. Their link will be down below. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. If you are interested in wax or diamond painting videos or cross stitch videos, this is the channel for you. I would love it if you would like, comment, or subscribe. And until next time.